Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. This is your reading, okay, general, and the person on your mind. It's like, anong dala ng buwan na ito sa'yo. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po, no, pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so nandito sila lahat. So, i-flex ko isa-isa. Sa mga ayaw ng makinig, meron na kayong ganito, ganyan. You can skip the video sa reading. Okay? So, yeah, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. So, we have ring. Ring natin is adjustable. Okay, so meron din tayong necklace. So, yung necklace natin is ganyan. This is so nice. This is unisex. Okay, yung ating ring. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and syempre yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet, isang garterized, isang adjustable. It's like the customized one, o the customized, oo. So, eto kasi yung merong initial na inilalagay. So, mag-iiba-iba yung mga letter na nandito. Syempre, depende, no, sa name ng magmamayari. Pero ito, yan, as is yan, andyan sila. Okay, so it's 5 colors ng evil eye beads, no? Pero meron silang kanya-kanyang job description. Anyway, so yung atin namang love and money bracelet with citrine stone. Okay? So, it's a charm. So, pwede pong gamitin lalaki, babae. Kung naman ang gender mo. So, naka-style lang siyang bracelet. Okay? Pero you can, put it in a red pouch. Okay, kung hindi nyo gustong isuot or hindi kasya sa'yo, gusto mo lang nito, gusto mong gamitin sa business mo, like that. So, yes, pwede. Okay, so meron siya mga citrine stone dito. Okay, hindi lang masyadong kita rito. Yung citrine po is color yellow. Okay, may yellow na kulay ng bato. Okay, so yan. Ito, may yellow siya. Ito pa. Anyway, so yeah, citrine po is a money magnet. So, madalas ginagamit ng mga nagbi-business. Okay? So, madalas rin siya ang tinatawag kasi at minamagnet nung citrine stone is abundance, prosperity, wealth. Okay? So, yun ang kanyang forte. Oo. And syempre, yung ating grantor. So, si grantor po, yung ating taga-grant, ng ating mga minamanifest. And syempre, itong si grantor, tagapagbigay ito ng surprises weekly, at least 2 per week. Kung hindi man 2, merong isa, hindi ka pawawalan. Okay, ni grantor. So, syempre, samahan po ninyo ng evil eye protection. Okay, kung gagamit kayo ng mga charms, yan. Kasi meron kayong ginugustong makuha, whatsoever. Okay, by the way, tungkol dito, kay love bracelet, love and money, kung meron kayong mga sabihin nating pinipilit na sitwasyon, at alam nito na hindi mo dapat pilitin, okay, mahihirapan ka kasi maglalaban kayo nito hindi ito yung para sa'yo. Owner, hindi to para sa'yo. Ito yung para sa'yo So, wag nang iisipin na ito yung gusto ko, ibibigay niya to. No. Fair tayo dito. Para tayong nang ritual na, no? O para tayong nagmanipula na ng energy kung gagawin natin yun No? Anyway, so masyadong malalim na usapin. So, ito na, yung ating cord cut. Si cord cut po is tagapagtanggal at tagapag-alis, MALAS, ng alat, okay, sa buhay, sa business, sa pamemera mo, okay, sa bahay mo, kung tingin mo, medyo inaalat, so yun po, no, siya yung magtatanggal at magpoprotekta. Okay po, and syempre, syempre, yung ating cleansing kit. So, si cleansing kit, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, pinagsama na natin kasi same lang din naman yung kanilang mga ginagawa. It's to clear energy, to recharge, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, paano gamitin ang selenite? Kung meron kayong i-recharge na charms or crystal, itatabi mo lang kay selenite. Pwede naman like overnight. Okay? And yung sage, kunyari nakatabi na kay selenite yung crystal, pausukan mo lang ng kaunti. Hindi mo kailangan ubusin. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan ubusin yung white sage natin. And hindi mo po kailangan huwag-huwagin. Tama ba? Hiwag-hiwagin. Oo. Nakabalot kasi yun. Okay, so isang sindihan yun. Hindi mo kailangang ubusin, basta mapausukan mo lang, okay na. Okay? So, Leo. Okay, Leo placements. Let's start the reading. So, the reading starts at 6:04. Okay. What's for you, Leo, ngayong buwan ng August? Anong meron? Anong dala sa'yo ng August? Anong dala ng August sa'yo, Leo? Okay. Ace of Wands inversed. What's that? The Five of Pentacles. Meron ako nakikita dito specific. Merong sabihin natin mapopostpone or madidelay pagdating sa isang pamemera, transaction, parang ganyan, pera. Parang may pagbaba rin. Okay? Yeah, see the Ace of Pentacles na naka-reversed. I don't know if this is talking about a connection din. Okay? So, may chance na parang may ang tawag dito? Parang may mag-step back muna sa isang connection. May lalayo, may aalis. Okay? So, let's see the Ace of Wands reversed. Anong outcome nito, if ever? Okay, the Emperor in reverse. So, some of you, this is pakikipagmatigasan kasi. No, somebody needs to step up here. Okay? So, yeah, the Magician in reverse. So, I think pareho kayo. Yeah, again, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Parehong nandun yung pagmamatigas. Nandun yung may sarili akong desisyon. May sarili din siyang desisyon. Hindi kayo magkatagpo. Okay, yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse. And I think the communication, pwedeng may issue rin sa communication. So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita. Kung hindi kayo talagang mag-aayos nito, kung sino man ito, fire sign, Aries, Earth, well, talagang wala ka nakikitang pwedeng magandang mangyari sa ngayong August. Okay? So, what else, Leo? Some of you, there could be sabihin nating regarding sa workplace or sa pamemera, yes, andun nga yung delays din. Okay? Or pagbaba. Some of you need to have new strategies, no? Pagdating sa inyong pamemera. Okay? Anyway, so we have here the World. What's with the World? The World. Some of you, this could be related sa isang travel. Okay? Or acceptance in general. Acceptance or endings. Again, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Okay. So, ang daming delay dito, Leo. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Some of you, kailangan nyo pong maghigpit talaga sa pamemera. Sinasabi dito, Leo, ha? Okay. So, there's these changes na pwedeng mangyari in general, like big changes, na sabihin nating makikitaan natin ng parang delays or magkokos ng delays or pagbagal sa kung anuman aspeto. Okay, so kasi ang nakukuha ko dito, yes, nandoon yung pagbagal, pagbaba, pero ang nakikita kong kadikit nun is pagbabago. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Some of you, kaya hindi totally open kasi some of you, there's blockages here when it comes to the changes na sinasabi dito kasi nandun yung takot. Okay? Or the overthinking. Something like, yeah, ganun. Anyway, so what else for Leo this August? The 9 of Wands. What's with that 9 of Wands? This is pag-avoid. It's like hermit mode. Parang ganyan yung energy. Oh no, it's not 9 of Wands, it's 7 of Wands. This is tension. This is blockage. Okay, some of you will block somebody this August. What's with that 7 of Wands? Justice in reverse. Somebody na pwedeng hindi nagiging patas sa'yo, I think. Pwedeng iba-block mo. Could be a Libra. Okay, iba sa inyo. May tension when it comes to your relationship. Okay, the 3 of Wands is here. I don't know if this is talking about third-party connections. Okay. So, let's see. What's with this 7 of Wands and Justice in reversed? Ace of Swords. So, I think this is meron ditong mag-walk away or pwedeng may mag-block para may ma-realize, something ganon. Para may mga ma-realize, para may mga maintindihan. It's like a lesson. Okay? A lesson, yeah, the 10 of Swords. Endings could be Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Meron kasi ditong hindi nag-workout. Something like that. Or parang hindi natututo. So, parang kailangan bigyan ng lecture or ng lesson. Kung ano man to. Okay? May kaakibat na paglayo. Kung sino man. Maybe ikaw yung lalayo. Ikaw yung magbablock sa kanila kung sino man. Or magka-cut off. Cutting off ties. Could be person, situations. Okay, ngayong August. Anyway, so medyo kamusta ka, Leo? Medyo yung energy, struggling, medyo unstable, no? Okay, so let's see the person on your mind. So who is this? Ano bang meron ngayong August sa inyo? Leo, anong meron sa inyo ni person? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Leo, who is this? Who is this person? The Queen of Pentacles. Could be a mother figure. A mother figure. So, I think you need them. You need this person. Maybe they need you. They're always available. They're vulnerable. Always present. They're a giver, I think. They're a giver. Okay. So, let's see what's with this Queen of Pentacles. The 3 of Wands in reverse. So, tumalikod ka. Or tumalikod siya sa'yo. May pagtalikod na nangyayari ngayon. Okay? May pagtalikod. Ano nangyari? There's blockage. The 3 of Wands in reverse. Why? Gusto ko makakita tong 3 of Wands in reverse na to. Na 9 of Swords. Ito specific. This person has a lot of issues. Some of them, they have this something about their mental health. Okay, about their mental health. Ace of Swords. I don't know if this person is depressed. That is why hindi sila open or available sa iyo ngayon. Their back is turned. They have a lot of issue. They have a lot of maybe problems. Okay? Pero tong taong to, sabihin natin kailangan mo. Yeah, naging mabait, naging giver itong taong to. Pero ngayon parang the drama is check. Nandito ngayon. Anyway, so, could be could be, this could be any gender. Okay, kasi this is just energy. So, wala naman pong totally specific na gender sa tarot. Okay? This is all energies. Masabing queen, kings, that's all energies. Okay? So, let's see. Anong sitwasyon? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. So, some of you could be separated sa ngayon, or there's this energy of unstable. Okay, masasabing unstable yung connection sa ngayon. Okay. Struggling. Shaky, rocky, yung situation, unstable. Why? Why the Four of Wands in reverse? Death. In reverse. Okay, so it's like paulit-ulit. Paulit-ulit yung sitwasyon nyo na to. Some of you, hindi mo na magawang magtiwala rin. Maybe them. Okay? And the Three of Cups in reverse. What is really their emotion for you? What is their emotion for you? Deep down. Let's see. Problemado tong tao mo. Leo, they're problemado. What is their emotion for you right now? The Queen of Wands. Nagpapaka-bitch yung person ngayon. Okay, like, okay, kaya ko to without you. Yeah, being the Queen of Wands. Okay, si Queen of Wands, confident yun. May pagka-moody to, no? Hindi ko alam, Ito specific, some of them, meron silang, ito, kung babae man, yung person mo, may chance na meron silang, sabihin natin, pagka-moody, hindi ko alam, may nakukuha kong energy dito. Somebody has issue when it comes to reproductive system. That's not for all. Anyway. So, what's with that Queen of Wands? The Knight of Swords. At ang taong to, sa ngayon, emosyon nito, nandun yung pagmamatigas, no? Okay? Gusto ng taong to, they're like just sitting down, waiting for you to take action. Okay, yeah, the Eight of Swords. They are silent. They are silent. They're dropping you. They are dropping you. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, kasal kayo nito. Malaki problem nitong taong to. Ang dami niyang stress. Ang dami niyang stress. Naiiyak ako sa kanya. Naiiyak ako doon sa energy ng person. Hindi ko siya ma-blame kasi ang dami niyang drama, ang dami niyang issue. Andun yung energy na parang, ang dami kong problema, ganito, ganyan, wala na makakaintindi sa akin, lumayo kayo, layuan nyo ako, napaka-moody. Walang makakatulong sa akin, mga ganong bagay. Anyway, so, what is their next action? Meron nga ba? Ngayong August? The Moon. Malungkot talaga to. Okay, they will mirror you. I don't know. They will mirror you. This is being sad. Confused. And the Four of Cups. They're sad. Really, really sad. Okay? Really, they need this, the Three of Cups. They want the Three of Cups. That's reconciliation. The Six of Cups in reverse. Some of you, meron kayong mga anak. Ayaw nitong madadamay anak. Okay? So, it's like, okay, bahala na. Malungkot, oo. Pero, yeah, papasok sa utak nito yung pakikipagayos. I don't know if you're open. I don't know if you're still open for them. Pero sana open ka pa rin. Oo, kasi may dinaranas to, may pinagdaraanan yung person mo na pwedeng yes na apektuhan yung inyong connection. naapektuhan. Okay? Being the Four of Wands universe is here, may chance po kasi na pwedeng hindi okay yung situation nyo talaga. Like, hindi kayo open, sa communication, like heart to heart, parang ganyan. Kahit sabihin natin kasal kayo, parang hindi kayo like transparent. Or hindi kayo nag-a-align, or hindi kayo like magkatulad. Kaya nagkakaroon ng imbalance. There's imbalance. So, let's see. Iba dito, sabihin ko na pwedeng same gender. Let us see. Anong outcome nyo ngayong August? Okay, the Six of Pentacles inversed. Okay. And the Ten of Cups. So, maganda naman. Yeah, maganda naman. The King of Cups. Oo. So, may ibabaw dito. Yung sabihin nating soft spot. Nandito kasi, nakakita ko rito yung meron ditong nagmatigas. Okay. Okay. Alam ko kailangan mo ganyan-ganyan. Pero, wala nang makakatulong din sa akin. Mga ganun. Hindi ko alam bakit ganito yung person mo, Leo. Like, they're confused. Really, really confused. I don't know kung may sakit sila. They're depressed. Sad. Kailangan ng mental support nitong person mo. Maybe some of you hindi nyo alam na sa mental, okay, sa mentalidad ng taong to, gumuguho. Hindi emosyon, hindi physically, pero andun yung depression ng person. Talagang itutulak ka nito. Hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Yeah. Hindi mo dapat sukuan to, Leo. Anyway, so may chance na maging okay ito. Ayan, may Ten of Cups. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, masyadong mabigat yung energy ng person. Okay. Anyway, so tayo muna sa all signs. Oo, so may Ten of Cups ka, so don't you worry. In the end, magkakaroon na, sabihin natin, magandang energy pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay, ma-fix din eventually. So, Leo, all signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay, the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Oops. I'm not ready. Okay, air sign. Why air sign? Aries. What? Some of you could be dealing with an air sign. So, Aries. Okay, they're afraid. They're scared. They're losing sleep over you. Okay? They're scared. They're crying. Some of them. So, Taurus. So, I'm hearing a separation here. Somebody is planning a separation. Regarding a separation. Gemini, they're player. Cancer, they want good cooperation with you. Okay, Leo. Unstable. Sabihin natin nandun yung energy ng in a loop or cycle na kailangan na talagang mabigyan ng healing or energy ng talagang endings. Somebody is too afraid pagdating sa endings or changes. Virgo, they love you. Libra, they can't move on. Scorpio, no progress at all. Okay, Sagittarius, acceptance or changes. Capricorn, there's codependency here. Okay, they need you actually. Aquarius, ego and pride. Yeah, some of them, they're wearing a mask. They're just wearing a mask. Having a facade. Pero, ang nakuha ko dito, like, yeah, masaya sila sa panlabas, pero sa panloob, hindi malaman kung anong meron. Okay? So, they're like sad, no direction. Let's see. Pisces. They're manipulator. Okay? So, orders imbalance. Yeah, some of them, they're not ready to settle. Yeah, they're not ready in general. So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel, nasa description box below, yung love letter. Okay, so again, thank you. Goodbye.